Look what is happening, guys. It's a flash flood. Except on my hand. So, yeah.
All this flood for one special day.
Look at it. Look
all
at it.
that rain. It's a flood. If you
Dude, there's even cats here. I have some cats here. Some of them come here because I give them food.
Oh my god.
I have a cat here. I don't know where it is though. It keeps running away. Look over here. Wait, is that a bug? Oh. Dude, don't mind my window. My cousin's right here. Say hi. Dude, this is such a flash flood. My mom and her mom and her dad is like at work. Her dad is sick too. So this is bad. Like we gotta call our parents. But my mom is going on lunch break at 1. Right now it's like 11. But I can't call her, so this sucks. Okay, let's call right there. Like look at the ground. Look at the ground. It's like it's a flood. It's a flood. We could tell. We was going to the pool at 12, but our plans changed. What happened?
We get to go to the pool. It's gonna stop at 2. Wait, let's keep going.
So we're gonna.
So it's either gonna stop and then we go to the pool.
But if it doesn't, we'll stay inside. Oh, we're going outside to check if the flood went in over there in my porch. So yeah. I'm not showing my cousin's face because her mom. But yeah, this changed it up. Like, look, there's a bug right there. Say hi, Grandma. Okay, no. Like, look over there. What?
What is that over there?
Where?
At the other house. It's the little black thing.
I don't see nothing.
See at the other house right there?
I'm blind. I don't have my glasses.
It's like a black little. Looks like a rat.
Let me see. Okay, this is. Oh, shoot. I see it. I see it. Dude, I see it. Wait, let me go back here. Coming. Okay, guys, I gotta go.